Allah has a record. He knows the number. We are learning about Allah's name Al-Muhsi, the all-enumerating one, the counter, the reckoner. Everything has been counted by Allah Al-Muhsi. He has full knowledge of each and everything. Nothing can escape him because again, it has been counted by him because he is Al-Muhsi, the all-enumerating one. Whether we remember it or not, good deeds or bad deeds, Allah has a record. He knows the number. Al-Muhsi has counted for every single cell in our body, every single leaf on the earth, every single grain of sand. On the day of judgment, nothing will be hidden from Allah. No matter how small it is, Allah will take account of it because He is Al-Muhsi, the all-enumerating one. This means that we need to do our best to make sure we are doing as many good deeds as possible so that they stack up. Let's teach as many people as possible something, no matter how small it is, as long as it is a good deed, and Allah Al-Muhsi will account for it on the day of judgment.